constant learning to flow.
Hi friends, it's Sheena. Welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining me here today. In today's video, as you can see, you'll be joining me here in my living space. It is a glorious afternoon, as you can see, here in South Florida. And I do want to go in and do a little bit of a research or a reset here in my living space. As much as I do love the splashes of pinks that I do have going on in here, I do want to come in and bring in another pastel color. I think I did, yeah, I had this color here before, so I do want to go in and bring it back. That's how much I am loving and missing this color. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to switch around the accessories. I'm going to bring out some of my blue and white pieces, and I'll be sharing with you all those items that I'll be incorporating in this space. So without further ado, let's get started with this refresh. Okay, friends, so I've went ahead and gathered up some of my favorite blue and white pieces that I'll be incorporating in this space. As you can see, I have a cute little collection here. So let me just show you some of the pieces that I'll be using. First up are these beautiful pillow covers. You know my love for these pillow covers. So soft and just they're just so cozy. So I'll be incorporating these on the main sofa there. As for the lampshades, I did treat myself to these, I think a couple months back. And this is what they're looking like. The color is just so magnificent. I love the hints of green and blue. Actually, that's going to be the color scheme in the living room. I want to do blues and greens together. This I did purchase from Home Goods, and this is just a little close-up of what it's looking like, kind of the color scheme that I'm going for. Do you see how beautiful this is? I just cannot wait to put everything together. As for the coffee table, the floral display that I do have there now, but I think it's time for a little bit of a change. So I do have this beautiful bouquet here that I did create. These beautiful hydrangeas, they are the real touch. They feel so natural and just so real. I absolutely love them. I did purchase these on Amazon, so I'll link them down below in case you're interested. They do come in quite a few colors. So, and I did purchase all of the colors because that's how good they are. So I did pot them up in this beautiful blue and white vase. Ooh, and they're just looking so good together. So this is what I'm going to put on my coffee table. Gosh, hopefully it's I'm risking it putting it on there, but hopefully it doesn't fall off. So as you can see here, I do have quite a few little blue and white pieces going on. I did purchase these a while back from Ross. I saw these and I immediately fell in love with them. These planters, I'm not sure how I'm going to incorporate them in the space, but I'll find a way. I always find a way. Again, my love for the blue and white kind of combination is just, oh, I just love this combination. I think it was a couple months back, I saw this beautiful candle at Home Goods and I fell in love. Not only does the jar looks beautiful, but the aroma of the candle, it is just so gorgeous. So I did pick this up. This I'm going to pop on my coffee table or in my office. It is just so lovely. Love the color and the aroma again. It's just so gorgeous. As for this, my plan for this is quite versatile. I absolutely love it. So it can be used as a champagne bucket, or as for me, I do want to pot it up or fill it up with some stems. I think it would look absolutely gorgeous. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that just yet, but I saw this and I fell in love. I love the handle on here. It is so beautiful. It is a very, very heavy also. So I have to be careful with that. But this is what it's looking like. It is just so gorgeous. And oh my goodness, it was on the pricier side also. Last but not least, I do have this little jar right here that I think I got this from Ross or Home Goods. It doesn't have a sticker on it, but yeah, I think it's from one of those stores. I think I might put it on the credenza. I'm not quite sure as yet, but we shall see. Okay, friends, so with that being said, let's get started with refreshing this space. So I'm just going to grab these real quick, and then I'm going to come in and switch out the pillow covers. Love this couch. It is it is large and it's just so cozy. And the thing is, I love the fact that the covers are all removable. So I did give them a wash. I think it was in, I don't remember, but I think it was a couple months back. I took the covers off and gave them a nice wash. So about mid-summer is going to be the next time I do wash them again. But anyways, I'm going to switch these over to these beautiful blue pillow covers. Dumpling pillows that I did purchase on Amazon a while back. They're really, really beautiful. I love them. On your cheek, did you overthink? You took a couple steps towards me and I said, hey, you seem a little nervous, but don't worry, cause it's working so well. Is to come in and switch out these lampshades to the ones that I do have here. I love these. Oh, these are so pretty. It's probably kind of hard for you to see because I do have my daylight bulbs in, but these are absolutely gorgeous. And friends, all my lampshades, I did purchase them from Home Goods. Love finding beautiful lampshades there. Okay, friends, so I do want to come in now and switch out the pink prints in the picture frames to, I think I'm going to do green. I think the green is going to look nice in here with the blue. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to switch them to the green ones. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Come in and do a little revision on this coffee table. Nothing too crazy. Do you know what? I love how fast everything is moving along. All right, so now I do want to go in, just get rid of all the pinks that I do have here. Oh, this was so beautiful. I'm just gonna do a very light dusting because yesterday I removed everything, did a thorough cleaning on here. All right, so I do have these two books here with hints of blues. So I do want to put these up to the front. So I think this one maybe here. Friends, so the moment that I've been waiting for is to bring in this beautiful bouquet here. And oh my gosh, is she gorgeous? Okay, what? I love these little busts. I love adding them to the coffee table. They're super cute. Then we're gonna come in with more blue and white. So I'm gonna add these lovely candle holders here. So friends, welcome back. I'm saying welcome back because as you can see, I'm in a different attire. So yesterday I had to step out real quick because I had something to take care of. But anyways, the show continues. For this mantle television area right here, I did went ahead and place a few items here. I have these beautiful jars that I did purchase from Ross. I absolutely love these little tiny jars because they're perfect for like tabletops or nightstand. They're not too big. Quite well, only 3 of them in these cute little size, and they're only $7.99. So quite inexpensive. I love that. This is what I love, the fact that you don't have to spend too much to I don't know, put your space together the way you like. I mean, look at this. This is so cute. I absolutely love these. And they're the perfect height for the television area right here because it doesn't obstruct the view. So I did went ahead and did that. I brought out some of my bluish color candles, so the tapered candles that I did went ahead and place there. As for now, I am loving the setup. And oh my goodness, just a quick little tip. Do you know what? Sometimes I'm decorating and I'm forgetting that I'm sharing this experience with you all. But anyways, I did went ahead. Previously, these lampshade, they were just the plain white ones. And I was looking for something a little bit summery to add to or to switch them out to. And I saw some on Amazon, but oh my goodness, those little tiny lampshades, they're so pricey. I was looking for something kind of floral to change the shades out to, but they're too pricey. But anyways, I did my little DIY and I love the final look of these. So what I did was I went ahead and add a little, I hope you can see. Let me just take one off real quick, a little bit closer so you can see. But what I did was I went ahead, I had this ribbon from last Christmas, and I went ahead and add the ribbon to the parameter of the top and the bottom here, as you can see. So quite inexpensive. The thing is, I did not glue the ribbon to the shade because I love the fact that later on in the season, when I do change my color scheme in this space, I can go ahead and add the ribbons. So what I did was I used my glue gun and just put a little dot right here on the ribbon and I just glue it onto the ribbon. So I did not glue it to the shade. And I love that. I mean, I saw these exact same style or design on Amazon and they're in the 30s. I mean, for these little tiny lampshades. So I'm very happy I went ahead and DIY this. All right, so next up, we're going to be styling up this little credenza right here. Of course, I'm going to be adding some blue and whites along with hints of green. So let me just gather those items. So this is the gorgeous cherry blossom. Previously, when I had the credenza all styled up, I had it in I think I had a black jar, which I absolutely looks beautiful. I mean, these cherry blossoms, they just look beautiful in every single jar. They're just so beautiful. But anyways, because the spring and summertime, and I'm going for, oh my gosh, this is so heavy, and I'm going for a very light and airy look, I did switch them out to this beautiful jar right here. So I'm just going to put them right on this is heavy right here. And I love these cherry blossoms because they just feel, these are the lifelike. And I purchased them last year from Home Goods. They're just so beautiful. I don't remember seeing any like these this year, but they're just so lovely. I'm going to go in with my blue and white pieces. So this is the beautiful jar or vase or ice bucket. Honestly, you can use it in multiple different ways. So I'm going to go in with this. I think I'm just going to pop it right here. I'm going to continue with my blue and white ginger jar candle. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to light this up. It is just so lovely, the scent. So I'm just going to pop that right there. You know what? I'm loving how this is coming together. Okay, so next up, these cute little jars or vase. I love these. They're just so cute. And like I said, I love little tiny vase like these because you can just pop them anywhere, like on any table, because they're not so overpowering. Really loving this look right here. All right, moving on. this is it, the final look of my end of spring, heading into summer living room refresh, decorate with. I am so in love with the color blue, especially pastel color. It is just so lovely. It was a chance for me to bring out my blue and white pieces that I just love so much. The Shin Raspberry, the blue and white, my blue and white hydrangeas. So as you can see in this room, I did went for blues, the whites, and a hint of green. I did went ahead and pop in some green hydrangeas mixed in with the blue. And I must say, I just love that look. The hydrangeas, again, very much lifelike. The texture feels so real. I love them. I did purchase them on Amazon. I will definitely link them down below just in case you're interested.